What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. This is your boy Hemi Life. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title and the thumbnail, we are getting rid of my setup on the exhaust and grabbing a new full catback, I guess you would call it. Yeah, so a full exhaust, and it's gonna be a little bit quieter, I'm guessing, because it's got mufflers and resonators, and I just have resonators on right now. But the reason I am getting a whole setup and it's gonna go a little bit quieter is because I am moving into a quieter neighborhood. They're not used to these types of cars. It's still gonna be loud, don't get me wrong, but it's gonna be a lot quieter than what it is now. So yeah, let's go ahead do the unboxing. And I did get CORSA XTREME exhaust, so we got a nice CORSA XTREME full exhaust in this big box. And unfortunately they come with the dual exhaust like how I had before, if you guys remember. And there was no way for them to give me the the SRT style, because I did convert my rear end to an SRT rear end. But I fixed the problem. I got some tips here that'll help. These are CORSA Extreme or CORSA Performance black 4.5 inch tips. So these are gonna be huge. They're gonna look amazing, and they are with the clamps. I got both of them. Ooh, this one came with a sticker. Let's go. Alright, so now we got this out of the way. These are my tips. Let's go ahead and open this big ass box. Hold the camera for me, my young man. We got another decal and installation guide, but we are going to be taking it to the shop, so we don't need that right now. Let's go. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Man, this is the that's in the muffler. This thing is huge. But see, you guys, it does come with dual, and damn, it's a nice staggered fit, man. I like that, but oh well. But yeah, let's keep moving. Connecting pipes. These are all stainless steel pipes, so look good. Then you got the X pipe, CORSA Performance on there. Some nice welds. And then here, the other connecting pipe. And these are the mid mufflers. To be honest, I'm gonna put these all on, and then if the car is too quiet, I'm gonna delete these, because I don't want that. But we'll see. So yeah, we got 1 and 2. So yeah, this is the whole setup. You know what I mean? Let's go ahead and grab the car, do the last cold start actually, and reverse it in here, put these all in the trunk, and head over to the muffler shop. We'll see you guys there. Alright guys, so this is gonna be the final cold start. Let's go ahead and get it. sometime later. I went to the exhaust shop and they're just super busy. Let the camera focus. They're just super busy, and I'm just gonna do it ourselves. I'm just gonna install it myself, and we're gonna go ahead and give you guys what you wanna call it. I'm gonna show you guys how loud idle is with the decibel reader. So let's go ahead and see this. Okay. No, thank you. So it idles at 89.90. Okay. So it idles at 90. That's not bad. Let's go ahead and do some revs. The max was 129. It's not focusing. So the max was 129, so that's not bad. And we're gonna see how much quieter the Corsa Extreme is gonna make it. So let's go ahead and get right into the install. Alright guys, so a quick update. Camera focus. Alright, so I got my exhaust dropped as of right now. It is all loosened up and everything. Now the last thing I gotta do is move those two clamps over there. If you guys can see, remove the clamps, slide that out, and then I gotta, and then basically I'm done. I'm gonna give it a start, see how it sounds headers only, because I do have shorty headers and no cats, so technically a full straight pipe. We'll see how that sounds, and then we'll get to installing this beauty and see how this sounds. So I'm getting busy, I'm getting dirty. Let's see how this goes. I'll see you guys in a few. Alright guys, after a lot of struggles and pushing and pulling and hammering, I got my old setup off finally. So as I said earlier, let's go ahead, give it a start with basically shorty headers, no cats. Here we go. Damn, okay. So that's how it sounded. Alright, now let's go ahead and get this Corsa Extreme on. Alright, what's going on everybody? I'm finally done. The whole Corsa Extreme is installed. Everything's tightened down nicely. Mufflers, mid mufflers, X pipe, all of that. I didn't put the tips on because I gotta take it back to the shop. He's gotta cut this piece a little bit, angle it down some type of way, and then we'll be able to put the tip on. That doesn't matter right now. At least I got the freaking thing on, the whole kit. So here we go. It's first start. Damn it, hold on. Alright guys, this is definitely a lot quieter, but I'll just pick you guys up tomorrow in the morning when I take it to the shop, and we'll see if I might, to be honest, I might just cut these mid mufflers off, Somebody told me on Instagram, he's like, get CORSA and cut the mids off, and I might have to do that because this is way too quiet for me. So I'll pick you guys up tomorrow in the morning. Alright guys, it's the next day here. I just got the car, I took it to the muffler shop, and we're back. Basically, what I told you guys before when I said we're gonna cut the mids off, those the ones in the middle over there, those weren't mids, they're actually resonators. So I didn't cut those off, I kept those on, and instead I cut off the actual mufflers over here. So this is now a straight pipe, and we got the new tips on, 4.5 inch black tips like I told you guys. So this is how it looks from the back with the tips, and I love the black tips. They're nice, they're big, and even though they get lost, they're still nice. They get lost with the diffuser because that's all black. But yeah, this is the way the exhaust sounds now. Let's go ahead and give it a warm start. That's how it sounds. That's CORSA Extreme for you. Go ahead and set the camera up, we'll give you guys some revs. Actually, hold on, let's do a decimal reading. 1 second, let me grab my phone. Alright guys, so the idle as we see here is 55, 56. So it's 55, 56. Let's go ahead and get some rev action and see what we get, and we'll compare before and after because we want to see how much quieter it got. Let's get it. That's a lot quieter than before. So I mean, it does sound nice. It's not obnoxious like how the old exhaust used to be. Like it was, I love the old exhaust. It was nice, loud, but I feel like it was just a bit too obnoxious. Now it's just like, it's toned, it sounds nice, but it's a lot quieter. But I mean, this is the new exhaust. There's nothing really much to it. It's a lot quieter, it sounds nice. We got the new tips like I told you guys. But yeah, this is gonna be a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, make sure you guys slap the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content coming soon. Then I think it's gonna be the next video. You guys don't want to miss that one. But yeah, it's been your boy Hemi Life. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.